Hello there, my name is Zach Coons, and I'm perching in front of Oxalis stricta, colloquially referred to as yellow wood sorrel, sour grass, or sour pickle. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a wild Oxalis lemonade with it. You can find Oxalis stricta in moist, alkaline, sandy soils, generally speaking on the banks of a small stream. And it has clover-like petals. There's a story from France that tells us of two young lovers who were wandering by a stream, and one accidentally stepped on wood sorrel, and their marriage was delayed because of this. So mind the wood sorrel, all you young lovers. Love is complicated enough without stepping onto wood sorrel in forest. So we're going to add some Wild Mountain Hoary Mint to this lemonade to give it some spice and some zest. It's one of my favorite wild mints. In fact, we'll probably do a video on it here at some point later on in the summer. So I have all the ingredients gathered before me to make a Wild Mountain sorrel lemonade. So let's get started. So I'm going to begin by adding about a quarter cup, which is 4 tablespoons, of the sorrel mixture. And the sorrel mixture is with the Wild Mountain Hoary Mint. When you make a cold infusion of the wood sorrel, it's been used in the treatment of fevers, stomach cramps, and nausea. So I picked enough today to make about 2 quarts. So that's the recipe for 1 quart. I'm gonna let this get mildly fermented. Maybe I'm gonna let this sit out in a dark pantry for about 2 days so that bubbles form and some of our healthy gut bacteria begin to colonize it. I truly appreciate you taking the time to join us this afternoon, and I hope you've learned something. And if you have learned something, I'd ask of you to share it with someone else. Share it with your neighbor, share it with your coworker, share it with your partner, share it with your mother, your father, your grandparents, and most importantly, share it with your children. These are vital traditions, and they are in peril of becoming extinct out of non-practice. So if you've learned something, begin to practice this and bring it into your own daily life, and begin to bring it into the daily life of the community that surrounds you. We're all interdependent of one another, and when we learn something, it's imperative that we share it with our entire community. Thank you so much.